My name is Tamara Meizoso Regueira, and I'm a second year PhD student in the Regueira Lab at the Free University of Berlin in Germany. And I am funded by a Marie Curie Fellowship within the Plastic Underground Doctoral Network, which is focused on integrated cross-sectoral solutions for micro and nanoplastic pollution in soils and groundwater ecosystems. So what I'm working on specifically is quite broad, I could say, as I'm working on microplastic fate transport and effects in soil from different perspectives. So on the one side, for example, I work with mathematical modeling to predict the fate and transport of microplastics in soil. I am more familiar with statistical models, but right now I'm pursuing a secondment at the Northwestern University in Chicago, where I'm learning about mechanistic models as well, specifically advection dispersion equations and stochastic models for fine particle dynamics. And on the other side, for example, I'm also working on dual mode tomography experiments, where neutron scans are used to identify hydrogen-rich particles, such as microplastics, and X-rays are used to study the surrounding soil microstructure. So this lets us study, for example, the effects of plastiosphere, which is the microbial community on and around the microplastics, on particle movement and soil aggregation and porosity under different climate stress scenarios, for example. So these are some examples of what I'm working on. And from a more personal point of view, I also enjoy reading essays and discovering new music and going out for a run. And that's all. Thank you very much for watching.